Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you all-in-one tool website that can save storage, save time and make your work much easier. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser. Here you will search for SEOStudio.tools. From this website contains hundreds of free online tools that work directly inside your browser. No installation, no heavy software, and most tools work instantly. You will see text tools. From there you can article rewriter, word counter, random word generator, number to word converter. I will show you now. I will click on convert. This will instantly convert 12,345. Here you will also text repeater. There are YouTube tools like YouTube tag extractor, YouTube description generator, YouTube title length checker, YouTube hashtag generator. Like here you will enter your keyword. Like I am entering keyword Android apps. Then click on generate. It will instantly generate the tags for your YouTube video. From you can see YouTube video statics, SEO tools for website ranking checker, Google index checker, Google cache checker. Here you will also see domain and IP tools. What is my IP address, domain to IP, hosting checker, website management tools. This all tools are free of cost, no any payment. Image editing tools like rotate image, image resize, web image to JPG, image crop, online calculators like age calculators, GST. Here I'm select date of birth 2008 May 11 in today's date and click on calculate. It will show you the exact year, 18 years. All these tools are free of cost. This makes the website useful for students, creators, developers and normal PC users. You can use it anytime. It saves storage and your time. Everything runs inside the browser. Faster workflow. So that's how you can use one website instead of installing many different apps. It's free, simple and extremely useful daily task. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.